Order picking can account for nearly half of a warehouse's operating cost. Choosing the wrong picking method can slow deliveries, increase errors, and reduce productivity. In this video, we'll discuss the major warehouse picking methods, when each should be used, along with their advantages, disadvantages, and practical examples. Let's start. What is order picking? Order picking is the process of retrieving products from storage locations to fulfill customer orders. For many distribution centers, picking is the most resource-intensive warehouse activity because workers spend a significant portion of their time traveling between storage locations. The objective is straightforward. Pick the correct product. Pick the correct quantity. Deliver it to packing as quickly and accurately as possible. The best picking method depends on factors such as number of daily orders, number of SKUs, average order size, warehouse layout, labor availability, required order fulfillment speed. There is no single method that works for every warehouse. Method 1. Discrete picking, single order picking. Let's begin with the simplest method. In discrete picking, one picker completes one customer order at a time. Suppose a customer orders 2 bottles of shampoo, 1 toothpaste, 3 soaps. The picker collects all items for that order before starting the next one. Best suited for small warehouses, low order volumes, high-value products, customized orders. For example, an industrial equipment distributor where every order contains different spare parts. Advantages: very easy to implement, minimal training required, high order accuracy, easy to track picker performance. Disadvantages: significant walking distance, low labor productivity, not suitable for high-volume e-commerce operations. If your warehouse processes only a few hundred orders daily, discrete picking often works well. Method 2. Batch picking. Now imagine 10 customers all ordered the same mobile charger. Instead of visiting that storage location 10 separate times, the picker visits once and picks all 10 chargers together. Afterward, the items are sorted into individual customer orders. This is known as batch picking. Best suited for e-commerce, retail fulfillment, small order sizes, high SKU repetition. Example: a cosmetics warehouse receives 100 orders containing the same face cream. Instead of making 100 trips, one batch pick retrieves all required units in a single trip. Advantages: reduces travel time, improves picker productivity, faster order fulfillment, lower labor cost. Disadvantages: requires sorting after picking, more planning required, less effective for highly customized orders. Whenever many customer orders contain similar products, batch picking becomes highly efficient. Method 3. Zone picking. In large warehouses, asking workers to walk across the entire facility is inefficient. Instead, the warehouse is divided into zones. Each picker is responsible for only one zone. Suppose the warehouse has Zone A, beverages, Zone B, snacks, Zone C, personal care. If an order contains products from all 3 zones, each picker collects only the items from their assigned zone. The order is then consolidated before packing. Best suited for large warehouses, thousands of SKUs, high order volumes. Advantages: less walking, higher picker familiarity, better productivity, easier workload balancing. Disadvantages: requires order consolidation, more warehouse coordination, potential waiting between zones. Many supermarket and FMCG distribution centers use zone picking because product categories are naturally separated. Method 4. Wave picking. Wave picking combines order picking with shipping schedules. Instead of releasing orders continuously, the warehouse management system groups orders into waves. For example, Wave 1, orders for the morning truck. Wave 2, orders for afternoon dispatch. Wave 3, express deliveries. All pickers work on the same wave simultaneously. Best suited for high-volume distribution centers, omni-channel fulfillment, time-sensitive deliveries. Advantages: supports shipping schedules, better dock coordination, higher warehouse throughput, improved labor planning. Disadvantages: more complex planning, strong WMS support required. Delays can affect an entire wave. Many modern retail distribution centers rely heavily on wave picking. Method 5. Cluster picking. Cluster picking allows one picker to pick multiple customer orders during the same trip. The picker carries several totes or carts. Each tote represents a different customer order. Imagine pushing a cart with 6 bins. As you move through the warehouse, products are placed directly into the correct customer's bin. Best suited for e-commerce fulfillment, small multi-line orders, fast-moving consumer products. Advantages: significant travel reduction, higher picker productivity, less sorting compared to batch picking. Disadvantages: more complex picking process, higher risk of placing products into the wrong tote, requires organized carts or technology support. Method 6. Pick-to-light and voice picking. Modern warehouses increasingly use technology-assisted picking. Pick to light. Lights installed on storage racks illuminate the correct picking location. The picker follows the lights and confirms a quantity. Voice picking. Workers wear headsets that provide spoken instructions. For example, proceed to aisle 4, bin 16. Pick 5 units. The worker confirms verbally. Best suited for high-volume warehouses, cold storage, grocery distribution, automated warehouses. Advantages: faster picking, higher accuracy, reduced training time, hands-free operation in voice systems. Disadvantages: higher investment, technology maintenance, system integration required. Which picking method should you choose? Let's summarize. Warehouse situation. Recommended picking method: small warehouse, discrete picking, high SKU repetition. Batch picking, large warehouse, zone picking, scheduled dispatch. Wave picking, high volume e-commerce. Cluster picking, automated warehouse. Pick to light or voice picking. The right method depends on your warehouse characteristics, not on which method is most popular. Many large distribution centers actually combine multiple picking methods. For example, zone picking plus wave picking, or batch picking plus pick to light. Hybrid approaches often deliver the best performance. Conclusion: order picking is far more than simply collecting products from shelves. It's a strategic warehouse process that directly affects productivity, labor cost, order accuracy, and customer satisfaction. Understanding when to use discrete, batch, zone, wave, cluster, pick-to-light, and voice picking allows organizations to build faster and more efficient fulfillment operations. If you found this video valuable, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, turn on notifications. Join our membership. You will get to break down supply chain problems and their database solutions with real-world frameworks every week. Till then, keep optimizing. Thanks for watching.